We will show you how to use Advanced Folder Encryption to encrypt folders. Get it from the Kakasoft website, or enter the link below to download the software. We double-click to run the software. Select the folder to be encrypted. Select Normal for important files, High or Highest for highly confidential files. Now, the encryption is complete. Enter the password we set. If you want to browse the data, select the Browse option. If you want to decrypt temporarily, select the Temporary option. If you want to decrypt completely, select the Complete option.